I've been away so long. Brought to you by George Bitter. Shout out sa lahat na nagmamahalan worldwide. How can I say to you I love somebody new? You were so good to me.